What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. In today's video, we are going to be changing all the halogen bulbs that are in the interior of the Camry to a bright white LED, and it wouldn't have been possible without Lasfit. They are very good. They have almost every single make and model parts, floor mats, LED bulbs, we have reverse lights, any part of your tail lights, whatever you need. Go check the link in the description. Use my code KYLE8 for 15% off. Lasfit has made it literally amazing and so easy to change these bulbs, and it changes the whole look of the car. Literally, when I turn on my dome light in the interior, it lights up the whole thing, the front and the back, which is crazy and amazing. And I'm very thankful for Lasfit, as well as the trunk. The trunk is literally bright as hell now. The yellow halogen didn't do anything. The white LED now lights up the whole trunk, which is amazing. Make sure you guys go check them out. If they literally have almost every single make and model, go look at their, their shop, their parts, everything they have. You could type in your make and model, see if they have anything for you. Yeah, link in the description. Use code KYLE for 15% off, and let's get straight into changing all this stuff. We're also going to be changing the turn signal bulbs for the Camry's headlights, and I'm gonna give a little bit more of an explanation, later in the video, because I already have some from Lasfit. But if you guys want to know why I'm changing it, watch the full video and you'll find out why. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of changing it. All right, guys, so now we're gonna get straight into changing the turn signal bulbs for the Camry. If you have a 2018 or 2024 Camry, you can do this as well. You guys use the link in the description or use my code KYLE8, you'll get 15% off, which is, better than nothing. So if you guys want to purchase the same thing, then I'll leave the link in the description. And yeah, let me show you guys what the bulbs look like. This is what the turn signal bulbs look like. I do actually have a set of these on the car already, but it's like this is a updated version. So the ones I do have on the car, it does a hyper flash after a certain amount of time of having the hazards on. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So it's not doing it yet, but this is what the bulbs look like. They're LEDs. It'll be the same thing with this, but I'm just gonna wait for the hyper flash to turn on. And Lasfit promised that these will not do that ever, which is perfect. It's gonna be a switchback, so it's gonna be white LED, daytime running light, and then a yellow LED turn signal bulb. But we're gonna wait for this to do a hyper flash, which should happen any second now. All right, so this is what it looks like when it hyper flashes. Obviously, if you have your hazards on, you don't want it to be like this. But with this new updated bulbs, Lasfit promised that it won't do this ever again. So we're gonna put it on. Shout out to Lasfit for sending this out to us. But yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. So the hardest step of this whole process is gonna be popping the hood. So after you get done doing that, then everything else is just easy. Wow, look at that 800 horsepower engine. All right, so all you gotta do is find the turn signal bulb. You gotta twist it towards the driver's side. But you guys know which one, the turn signal one. I can't get a good angle of it. Pull it off, and again, do not touch it or else you will get cancer. What the old one from Lasfit looks like. Yeah. Guys, listen, be careful when you're touching these as soon as you turn the car off, because they are gonna be hot. But it's not gonna be often where you're gonna have your hazards on 24/7. So if you guys wanna get these, by all means, go ahead. It's gonna be the same thing. But I'd rather have these to make sure it doesn't hyper flash at all. But if you guys want to buy this, I'll put a link in the description as well. You can use KYLE8 for 15% off. When you guys put it in, if it doesn't work, twist it to the other side, just like this, and then it'll work. So you guys make sure it's turned in the right way, and then it'll be all good. But again, do not touch it if you want to die. Side by side difference of what the new ones look like versus the old ones. These definitely look way better, in my opinion. But yeah, let's put it on. Wow, that's the hardest part of this video. Just plug it in, and again, if it doesn't work, just turn it the other way. So let's try it and see if it works. Unlock the car right now and see if it works. It didn't work. All right, so it didn't work. Now we're gonna twist it to the other side, and it should work. There we go. And then you put it back in the same way you took it out. Just find the right spot, and that's it. And then you put it back in the same way you took it out. Just find the right spot, and that's it. And here's a side-by-side comparison. This one is the old one, this one is the new one, and you guys decide which one you want. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, which I'm not going to show you because we have the intake here, so we're going to need 2 people to do this. But yeah, it's the same exact process. This is what it looks like. Same exact thing, and then put it back in, and we'll turn the hazards on and show you guys what it looks like. This is the finished product. No difference at all. It's just these won't ever hyper flash according to Lasfit, which is way better. I think, does it look a little less bright? I mean, it looks a little less bright, which is, you know, I don't really care, I don't mind. But yeah, it changes it to LED. I'm gonna put a clip on the screen of how the OEM SE Camry headlights look like. But if you want this, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Use code KyleA for 15% off. And yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Was this a good tutorial? And yeah, I'm gonna do another clip of changing the trunk lights, and then we'll show you guys that. This is what it looks like at night. It's a white daytime running light LED, and then the turn signal is going to be a yellow LED, which looks very good. It's way better than the stock one, which I showed you guys earlier in the video. But yeah, let me show you guys think of the turn signal bulbs. If you want to cop it, the link will be in the description. Use my link, use my code, you'll get a discount, which is always good. But it's not showing well in the video, but it is pretty bright, which is good. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and change the trunk light, which is the halogen or yellow, whatever you want to call it, into the bright LED, which let me show you guys what that looks like. Trunk lights look like from Lasfit. Shout out to them again for, you know, hooking us up with this. But make sure you guys use the link in the description to buy these as well. And yeah, we'll show you guys the before and after, but let's get straight into it. The first step you gotta do is open the trunk, which is literally the easiest part of putting this on. So let's do that. This is what the light looks before. It's a yellow halogen light, whatever you want to call it. And then we're gonna take it off and show you guys what the LED looks like. You can use a flathead or a tool like this to take it off. And then that's what the old bulb looks like. An old shitty bulb. All right, so this is like take the old one out, just literally pull it out. Make sure you use a towel or disconnect your battery to make sure it's not heated up, just so you don't get burned. But this is the new one, which is a bright LED. It's literally daytime and it's literally brighting up my whole trunk, which is crazy. I know you guys fuck with the air suspension setup. I got mad trunk space even with that. Pull over. Cut. Gotta put that black piece back on, keep it safe. It's like I'm gonna show you guys the clips of every single bulb that we put on during the night to see exactly how it looks. But yeah, now our whole trunk is gonna be lit up every time you open it at the night. One on the right is the new one, the LED. The one on the left is the stock halogen one. If you guys want to purchase these same things, I'm gonna leave all the part numbers and everything in the description with a link to get it. You can use my code KyleA for 15% off. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment something you guys want to see. But yeah, now we're looking good. Let's close the trunk, which is the second hardest part of the video. And yeah, that's it. It's awesome to send us 2 of these things, so we're gonna put on my boy's car as well. But yeah, literally in the daytime it brightens up the whole interior, the whole trunk, which is crazy. It's literally, this car's a 2022, this one's a 2018, and they both did not come with LED lights for the trunk, which is crazy. But Lasfit made it easy to change that, so we're gonna change that right now. Look how bright it is, looking good. Let's test the trunk light. Let's open this thing up. Wow, the whole trunk is lit up. It's way better than that yellow halogen LED. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a video of how it looks in the nighttime with the halogen LED, but you guys can probably find so many videos or look at your own Camry and see the difference. But yeah, if you guys want these lights, I'll leave the part number in the description with a link to it. And if you guys use my code, you'll get an additional 15% off, which could be up to $100 off depending on how many you buy for the dome light, the interior light. But let's take a look at this light right here as well. The whole, and you literally don't even need the front lights anymore. Just you turn this one on and it's literally gonna light up the whole interior, which is insane. That is gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. We got a whole bunch more stuff coming to the car. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. What should we do next to the car? What do you guys want to see me show you guys about the car? But yeah, if you guys want to cop any of the items that I showed you guys in today's video, go to the link in my bio. Use code KyleA. Go to the link in my bio. You You can search up your year, make, and model, and there'll be a bunch of different stuff. I'll leave the exact part numbers I got. For all the people that have a 8th gen Camry, you can get the same ones and they'll lit up your whole interior. But yeah, comment down below what you guys think of the video, and if you enjoy it, as always, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.